Show you how to make this mouth-watering chicken curry. So tender, so spicy, so flavorful. You are going to enjoy this one, I promise you. Welcome to the Stomach side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome to my channel today. So the first thing I want to get ready is the chicken. So I'm just going to make a marinade. So into my blender, I just add in there some olive oil, some garlic, and some chili pepper. If you don't have olive oil, you can make use of vegetable oil. Just blend that until smooth. And then the next thing you want to do is to gather your spices. I have here some coriander, paprika, dry basil, curry, thyme, cinnamon, salt, and seasoning cube. Mix up everything together until it is well combined. If you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metuka and you're highly welcome. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications to get notified when I drop new video. Do not forget to like and comment. I would love to hear from you. So add your spices into your chicken. The chicken part I'm making use of is the lap and thigh. So make sure you mix that well into your chicken. Each part of a chicken should be well coated with your marinade. Very, very important. This is what is going to make your chicken very, very flavorful. So make sure you massage your chicken thoroughly with the spices. So once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is just to cover this up and let it marinate in the refrigerator for 2 hours or overnight, or when you are prepping for your other ingredients. That is what I did, so that this can infuse lots of flavors into your chicken. So the next thing I'm getting ready is my Irish potato. You can decide to skip the addition of Irish potato in making your curry. It's not really important, but I love to add Irish potato in making my curry. It just makes it feels healthier for me. So you can skip it, you can decide to add it. So whichever one you're going for, it is super fine. So just peel the back of your Irish potato. Do not forget, when you are working with Irish potato, make sure that you add it into your water so that it can stop it from discoloration. Very, very important. So once that is done, once you've peeled your Irish potato, make sure you wash it thoroughly to remove excess starch. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to chop it up. So you can decide to cut it big, you can decide to cut it whatever shape or size that you want your Irish potato to be. So that is the way that you should cut. Yes. Another ingredient I'm prepping for is my carrots. So carrots too, you can decide to add it in your curry or you can decide to skip it. But what I love about the addition of carrots is that it's just going to add color. It's going to make your curry sauce taste sweeter because carrots is sweet, but you can decide to skip it. It's not important, but I will highly recommend that you do. So chop it into whatever shape that you want. So this is the shape that I want it to be. I want it to be in this rustic form. So the next thing I'm getting ready is my bell pepper, and bell pepper is very important in making your curry sauce. So this is, do not skip this one. So you need to add it. So you can decide to go with the different colors that you want. So I went with the red, the green, and the yellow. So you can decide to go with only green, you can decide to go with yellow, you can decide to go with red, or you can decide to use the 3 or even more colors that you have. So the next thing you want to do is just to chop it. So you can decide to chop it whichever form that you want. So if you're someone that like big chunky vegetables, you can go with that. Someone that like very tiny one, but do not go overboard with the size. Don't want it to be too tiny so that it doesn't overcook.
Oh, the aroma, it's a feast for the soul. Teresa's in the groove, heart's taking control. Shaking up the recipe, breaking.
So the other thing I'm getting ready is some other ingredients. So I have here some onion. So just cut that finely. So the other thing I'm also cutting is my tomato as well. So make sure you are very generous with your onion. Do not add little because we need it in our curry sauce. So get ready your tomato, but very little tomato. Do not, just very little tomato. that's what you need. And then you add your pepper, your scotch bonnet pepper. So depending on the hotness that you can take, so that's the number of pepper that you should use. So I have here some ginger as well. I couldn't find my garlic, so I'm just going to just use only ginger at this point. The next thing I want to do is just to saute my Irish potato and carrots. So you heat up some oil, add in your Irish potato and carrots. So the reason why I'm sauteing this is just to add more depth of flavor into my Irish potato and carrots, and also to make this a bit crispy so that it can still hold up firm, so it doesn't turn out mushy where we want to use it. So just season it with your spices. So these are the list of spices that I use. So just saute these until for like a minute or two until it's just a bit brown. Please, we're not trying to cook it. Like I said, we just want it a bit crispy so that it can still hold up till when we want to use it.
Hands moving swiftly like a
So once that is done, so just scoop it out and set aside. Into that same oil, add in your marinated chicken.
The Reese's kitchen is the heart of good food. Step into the kitchen, take a seat in my show. Teresa's got the flavor that'll steal the whole glow. Mix it, chop it, stir it with a little bit of spice. Every dish a masterpiece, cooking paradise. Teresa whips it up with rhythm and flair, a sprinkle of love and a dash.
So the next thing you want to do is to brown your chicken on both sides. So the reason why you want to brown your chicken is just to enhance the flavor of your chicken, and also to make your chicken just to seal in the juice of the chicken, and also to just improve the texture, and it's also going to enhance the taste of your curry sauce with that caramelized bit in it. So you just want to brown this on both sides. So just make sure that you flip it on the other side too, in order for the other side to get brown, and that is it.
It's a feast for the soul. Teresa's in the groove, hearts taking control. Shaking up the recipe, breaking every mold. This is more than cooking, it's a story. Rips it up with rhythm and flair, a sprinkle of love and a dash of care. Feel the Afro beats echo in the air. Cooking's an art when Teresa is there.
Browning your chicken, add in just some pepper, your tomato, your onion, and your garlic and ginger. So I only made use of ginger because I haven't found my garlic. So if you want to make use of garlic, add garlic just. So add in your meat stock. So I made use of chicken stock. You can make use of water, you can make use of beef stock, you can make use of any other stock that you have. So just add in there. So just mix up everything together.
A sprinkle of love and a dash of care.
So the next thing we want to add is some herb. This will what to make your curry sauce taste very, very delicious. So I use some fresh rosemary and bay leaf. If you can find rosemary, you can use some basil, you can use some thyme. So you just want to cook this on low heat for 15 minutes. This is what is going to make this super flavorful. So once you've cooked for 15 minutes, add in coconut milk. I made use of freshly made coconut milk. You can make use of the canned one, but I'm telling you, if you make use of fresh coconut milk, you are going to take your curry sauce to another level. If you don't know how to make coconut milk, I'm going to drop the link to one of my videos that showed how to make your freshly made coconut milk. So what I just add in here is some seasoning cube and curry. So do not be in a hurry to add in salt. So we're going to cook this for additional 15 more minutes on low heat. So you don't want your curry sauce to be salty. So make sure that you hold on first. Once you've cooked this for 15 minutes, if it's not enough, then you can add in more salt. But right now, I've just added more water, and I'm going to allow this to cook on low heat for 15 minutes. And right here, my chicken is super duper tender. That's what you want. Just chicken to be very, very soft. It should be able to fall off the bone. Like, it should be very, very soft. This is when you should introduce your Irish potato and carrots. So we're just going to just mix up everything together and let this just cook until the potatoes are soft. So this should just take about 5 minutes, and once that is done, then add in your bell peppers. Mix up everything together until it is well combined. This looks super delicious already. The colors are popping, like it's super duper yummy. So you just want to cook this for minutes or two in order for everything to be well incorporated into this. So here you have it. Our delicious curry chicken is ready. This is super yummy. It's super delicious. So you can also check my other curry sauce recipe. So I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box below for different curry sauce. It's quite different from this one, and those ones too are super delicious. So any of my curry sauce that you try out, you are going to be in for some yumminess. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Do have a wonderful day. I'll see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses.